Hey guys, welcome back. We are Chris and Joe. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it.
Amen.
Hey Joe, what's today's special?
Today I am going to make a delicious grilled chicken pizza, which can also be called as BBQ chicken. Come, let's get started.
Oh wow.
Let's marinate the meat, chicken. This is about 150 grams. Because this is a bit of salt, about quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, about 6 cloves of garlic crushed, a little bit of oil, maybe a teaspoon or so, and squeeze of lemon juice. Okay. That's it. We just mix it and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Even if you don't marinate, it's okay. To prepare the pizza dough, we need to first activate the yeast. I got here about a quarter cup of lukewarm water. That is, you should be able to put your finger inside the water and it shouldn't hurt you. Okay, so quarter cup of water and half teaspoon of yeast, instant active yeast. Then I got 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just mix this and leave it for 10 minutes till it becomes frothy. Okay, just mix the sugar in the water, will activate it. So we'll leave it aside. For the pizza dough, I have taken 1 cup of maida all-purpose flour. Then let's make a well in the center. I'm using egg because egg makes it richer, makes the dough richer. But normally they don't use egg, but I prefer to use egg. If you don't want to use egg, you can drop that out. So 1 egg. Then I'll add the yeast mixture. My yeast mixture is ready. See, it's nice and frothy. I'm just going to add that as well. If you're not using egg, you'll have to add little bit more of water. It's just like mixing any dough, just like how we mix chapati dough. It's just like that. You just have to mix it. I have not added any oil now because oil normally stops the activation of the yeast. So I'll add oil after. In the end, I'll add the oil. I'll add the oil or butter, whatever. Okay, now we'll put the butter. I'm not using oil. I'm using butter because butter makes it richer, no? So I'll just going to cream it here. A little bit of salt to enhance the flavor. Taking about a quarter teaspoon, quarter to half teaspoon. And I'll just cream this. Not okay. I'll just put this. You can do it in the bowl itself, but you can knead it better over here. See, you have to do it like this till all the stickiness goes off. It takes about 10 minutes to do. The stickiness will go off once the dough is ready. So you have to keep doing like this, rub it like this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then it will come off clean. See, it's coming off clean. You don't have to worry even if it is slightly sticky. Now all you have to do is you have to knead it for 10 minutes like this. If it's slightly sticky or something, you can add a teaspoon of flour while kneading. Mine has come off clean. See, it's okay. Okay, just put it. We will Leave it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes till the dough rises a bit. So for our pizza, we are making everything from the scratch. Now I'm going to make the pizza sauce. So I put the stove on. Let me pour some oil into it. Stove is on, no? Yeah. Little bit of oil. Let the oil get hot. Not very hot. While the pizza dough is resting over there, it will be rising now. So it will take some. You need a warm place. Now it's summer, so it's quite warm. My kitchen is warm, so I just kept it out. Otherwise, you have to find a warm place. If you are making it in winter, then you have to put it inside a oven or something where it is warm. Okay, so now let me do this. Now oil is hot, slightly hot. I got 6 cloves of garlic I've chopped. Okay, chop finely. No need to brown because we are just making an Italian pizza. Now let's add the onion. This is about half an onion. You don't need much onion. And here I'm going to make only 1 pizza. I'm not making more than 1 because it's just Chris and me over here. So 1 pizza is enough. Let it become transparent or translucent. Raw smell of onion is gone. So you're getting a nice smell of raw smell of garlic has gone, and you're getting a nice smell of onion. Don't allow it to brown. Now let's add I've been frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add the tomato. I've got 2 tomatoes pureed in our mixer. So just add that. And add, I've got 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. This is homemade chili flakes. I got about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1/2 teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Maybe 1/4 teaspoon is enough. I think mine also is 1/4 now. So then mix it well. We add sugar because it brings out all the other spices together. So let me add some oregano. This is, it's according to your preference. So sprinkle a bit, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit of thyme. That also you can sprinkle a little bit. I got some parsley over here. If you don't have these spices separately, these herbs separately, you can add mixed herbs. It's easily available in the market. So I put parsley, thyme and oregano. So just mix it and allow the tomatoes to cook. Let's allow it to cook for some time. I am going to add some salt. Not added salt. Let me add a little bit of salt to your taste. Okay. Let's cook this tomato for maybe 5 minutes. Okay, this sauce has thickened nicely. You can taste and see for the salt and all that. Whatever you require, you can add. If you feel it needs a bit more sweetness, you can add sweetness, a pinch of sugar extra maybe. So now I'm going to turn off the flame. Now next I'm going to make the chicken. I'm going to grill the chicken. I'm going to use grilled chicken for our pizza. Okay, let's grill the chicken. Put the stove on. Let the pan get hot. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of butter. And maybe, actually I don't need oil. Very little oil I've added, just in case. Let's smear it nicely. Okay. The pan is hot. I'm going to put this marinated chicken. And let's cook for 3 minutes on each side. Not more than 3. 3 minutes on this side, then turn it over and cook 3 minutes the other side. To bake the pizza, I'm going to use this ordinary lid that is easily available in everyone's house. This is about 10 inches in diameter. So I'm just going to brush it with oil all around. Now it's 3 minutes have passed. Let's turn it the other side. We don't have to cook much because it's going to go into the oven. So another 3 minutes on this side. Okay, 3 minutes have passed. So we have cooked on both sides 3 minutes. Let's turn off the stove and we'll allow it to rest for some time. We shouldn't cut it immediately. We have to give it at least 5 minutes for it to cool down. Then it will be nice and soft. Then I'm going to slice that and I'm going to use it on the pizza. Now let's attend to our dough. See how well risen it is. You also saw how small it was when we put it in. Now it's almost double the size. We'll just squish off the air in it and we'll just take it out. Let's flour the board. I'm doing it on my countertop. This scraper comes in very handy. This is called a scraper. Comes in very handy. Okay. Just roll it. Roll it into a round so that you can put it on your plate. It should be as big as your the pan on which you're going to put. Just remove it. You have to put it on the see. I will just put it on the lid. And this dough stretches nicely, so you just have to cover this. No? You just have to pull all along. And we prick it all over with the fork. I'll just make it look little neat. Okay, see, it looks neat. Okay, now our pizza is ready. Now we have to allow it to rest for another 15 minutes. So now it's 15 minutes have passed. Our pizza base is proofed nicely. Now let me put this the pizza sauce on top of it. Okay. See how much it requires. Just spread it all over. We have spread the pizza sauce. Let me put the cheese. After the sauce, we normally put cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. I've got about 100 grams grated over here. So, on top of the sauce, we put the cheese. Okay. I've got the grilled chicken. We have cut and kept it. So we'll just put the chicken all over. Okay, now let's put the vegetables. I've got capsicum. You can put whatever if you have sweet corn, you can put sweet corn. Then I've got some tomatoes. I don't have basil. I like fresh basil. That will look very nice. So just put some. Just for color, I've got some tomatoes. Then a little bit of onion slices, all thinly sliced. Then sprinkle some oregano. You get pizza mix also. If you have that, you can put that as well. Or mixed herbs, you can just sprinkle some mixed herbs. And then we'll put some olive oil. And then on top, again we sprinkle some cheese. So I've used half the cheese at the bottom over the sauce and half on top. So the toppings can be according to whatever you like and whatever is available at home. The oven is hot. It's been on. The oven is on for the last 10 minutes. So we have to keep it on preheated oven only. So the oven is on 220 degrees Celsius. So now we are going to bake it for 15 minutes till the sides, they brown a bit, slightly brown. Look at our pizza. Let it cool down, then we'll cut it. Okay, our pizza is still warm. Yeah. It's coming off easily. Okay. I'll have to cut it. The moment of truth. Come, let's taste this, Chris.
So good. The barbecue chicken flavor and the cheese, they are so well combined. It's a crowd puller. It's kind of a game changer.
And the
too good, Joe. It's too good.
Thank you, Chris. And the crust is so crispy.
Yes.
And so flavorful. You must try it.
Guys, you need to try this. You won't stop with one quarter. Thanks for watching. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell. See you all next Sunday.
Happy cooking.
This is Chris and Joe signing off.
God bless you all.